Well, my buddy Jim from the Broknex channel has got himself a new toy for his toy. And we had to just line things up here. There's his brand new CanAm. And he just got tracks. Apache 360 tracks. I don't know nothing about tracks, so don't ask me technical questions. They just got in yesterday. And got a whole box full of computer parts and everything else, and adapters and stuff to hook up to it. So, while we're in between customers at the shop, we're going to try and figure out how to put this thing on. Luckily, I got a brand new can of snuff in my pocket, so it's going to take a while. He's making his own video, and I've asked him for permission to kind of make mine. This is going to be a multi-day project, of course. But that's what he's doing. Set up a little work table on top of the tire changing machine. And a chair so I can supervise. This is going to be interesting. We were already comparing the clearance. This is going to give you a little more ground clearance than the wheels. Yeah. Yeah. Not sure how much clearance, but a little bit. A couple more inches. Yeah. Apache 360. Is that 360?
360 LT. The LT.
Yeah, okay. I had a hard time reading that without my glasses on.
They make a shorter track version of the same thing with a shorter load.
Yeah. Oh, a box opening.
And the instructions?
Plenty of paperwork.
I'm just going to throw those away right now.
Oh yeah, we don't need instructions. Great unboxing.
Right? Well, it's hard to open boxes with one hand, so you're trying to film. There you do it. You come over here. This box isn't labeled. There's one labeled box for this whole thing.
Bunch of plastic.
A little piece. No, this is all steel.
Oh.
A bunch of steel. Oh no, found some plastic. Ugh. Oh. I don't know. Oh, I see. This is an A-arm kit. There must be another A-arm. See, this is.
Oh, that's true.
This
Yeah.
bolts underneath the front control arm. Oh, look at that. See, and they're labeled right and left.
That's good.
That is good.
Save you from taking stuff apart later.
Right? So probably what I was hoping to do is just kind of look and see what's there. kind of bearing roller thingy. Interesting. Oh my gosh.
Another one.
I wonder if this is the front steering component. I'm guessing. No, that's got to be a
Some kind of shock thingy.
shock thingy turnbuckle you do. That fancy weird looking thing. Maybe that's what I should be doing is, gosh, and when this all comes off, when I take this off, I'm gonna have to find a place to put all this stuff so I don't lose it. I don't think you're supposed to leave all these pieces on the bike. That's some heavy gauge stuff there.
Yeah.
U-bolts. Oh my goodness.
Don't take them out of the bag.
What's that?
So don't take them out of the bag.
No, I'm gonna leave all the little nuts and bolts and goody bits in their bags. It's some. I'm actually quite impressed with the girth, you know, how stout. This is not a stamped, you know.
Yeah, it's all welded up.
That's heavy gauge.
That's the right side.
Whoa. Left-handed. Those went like that. And there we have the hard parts. I'd say we're about 3/4 done, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. Oh, and these are both the same. Got to keep things together.
Right?
I'll throw that out. We don't need no instructions.
Well, they got the general information and the lieutenant information, sergeant's information, customer information. So where's the how-to? Oh, this is a user's guide. This is not an installation guide. No!
What, got anything over there?
Nope. No, it's a parts list. Without pictures and in French. Okay, so I still have to go and download the instructions.
Get it on your laptop so you can bring it over here. And,
No, I'm gonna go print it because I have a printer that works, unlike some people I know.
hey,
Okay, step 1, find the instructions.
well, this is going to take a while, so I'll get back in part 2 later.